Okay, we have question number 26. Divide rupees 5300 among A, B and C such that 4 times A's share, 5 times B's share and 7 times C's share may be equal. Okay, so we will see this part. So 4 times A's share, so 4 multiplied by A is equal to 5 times B's share, so 5 multiplied by B is equal to 7 times C share. All these are equal. 7 multiplied by C. Okay. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take these both parts. Okay. I'm writing over here on the other side 5B is equal to 7C. So I can write B is equal to, I'll bring this 5 down here in the denominator. 7 divided by 5C. This is what I got as B. Now I'm going to take the first part and the third part. 4A is equal to 7C. This is what I'm taking. This part and this part I'm taking. 4A is equal to 7C. Same way I'm going to write over here. A is equal to, I'll bring this 4 down here in the denominator. 7 divided by 4C. So I got A is equal to something, B is equal to something. And when you are going to add all three of them, obviously you are going to get 8300. Okay, so A plus B plus C, this will be 8300. So I just substitute here. This is the green part. Instead of A, I'm going to write 7 upon 4 C plus, instead of B, I'm going to write 7 upon 5 C plus this last part C which is there, I will write as it is. This is equal to 8300. Now 4 and 5, LCM is 20. I'm going to multiply all of these terms by 20, or I can take the LCM of the left hand side. Okay, I'm just going to multiply all the terms by 20. So this is multiplied by 20. 4 5s are 5 into 7. This I'm writing over here. This is multiplied by 20. So 4 5s are 5 multiplied by 7 is 35. So this is going to give me 35C. Plus this is also multiplied by 20. So 5 4s are 4 multiplied by 7 is 28. So 28C. Plus this also will be multiplied by 20. So this is going to become 20C. This is equal to, this also I'm going to multiply by 20. So this is 8300 multiplied by 20. Just add up all of these things. Okay, now the sum is very simple. So 35 plus 28 is 63. So this is going to become 83. 83C is equal to, I'm not multiplying this because I know that this is going to get cancelled with 83. I'm going to keep it as it is. Okay, I'll break this 83 down. So that is going to get cancelled. C is equal to 8300 into 20 upon 83. This will be 100. So this is equal to 2000. I got C. Once I get C, then everything else is easy. B is this and A is this. Okay, B is 7 upon 5 C. B is equal to 7 upon 5 C and A is 7 upon 4 of C. So just substitute this. 7 upon 5, value of C is 2000. So 5 will go 4s are 20 and 00. So this is going to become 2800. A is 7 upon 4, value of C is 2000. 4 5s are 20 and then 2 zeros. 7 5s are 35. 3 5 0 0. Okay, I got A 3500, B as 2800 and C as 2000. We just have to write the final answer. Okay, so A is 3500, B is 2800, C is 2000. Okay, in quick I will explain you once again what we have done. Okay, what is given here in the question is 4 times A's share, so 4 into A. 5 times B's share, so 5 into B. And 7 times C's share, all may be equal, so 7 into C. So all three are equal. Okay, this is what we have done. Then I'm taking these both parts. 5B is equal to 7C. This is what I'm taking. I'll bring this 5 down over here in the denominator. I get B as 7 upon 5C. Then in the next part what I'm doing is I'm taking this and this. 4A is equal to 7C. Okay. Then what I'm doing, I'm simply bringing this 4 down here in the denominator. So this is becoming A is equal to 7 upon 4 C. Now obviously this A, B and C we are dividing. So total sum total again is going to become 8300. So A plus B plus C, this is 8300. Then in the next step what we are doing, A, instead of A I'm writing this part 7 upon C. Then instead of B I'm writing this part over here 7 upon 5C, and C is written as it is. Okay, then in the next step, denominator 4 and 5 are there, LCM is 20. All of these terms are multiplied 20 20, and here also 20 is multiplied. Okay, you have to simplify, you have to solve, you will get the value of C, and then you are going to substitute here. B is 7 upon 5C, A is 7 upon 4C, and then simply you are going to write the answer. You'll take down the sum. Still, if you have any questions, if you are not understood, you can ask me.